I work in specialized law enforcement, so I was exhausted and burnt out. My husband was working in oil field, and we literally had a post-it note marriage. He found the Thrive Experience just scrolling on social media one day and brought home a sample, and that was really where we kind of started our journey. I did not want anything to do with the sample, but he woke me up at 5 a.m. one morning and said, we're gonna start this. So we took our capsules as soon as our eyes opened. We had our shake and slapped on our DFT. He went off to work and I tried to go back to bed, which did not work out because I could literally feel the capsules start to work. I absolutely was feeling my best. I had found my old energetic self again, which had been lost for a very long time.